Good morning, children. I am Mubina Inamda. Today I am taking Maths Prep for UKG class. Children, in our previous class, we learned about the number which comes just before. The numeral comes just before. Today we are going to learn the numeral comes just after. Just after. What comes just after? One has been done for you. Here one example is done for you. According to this example, you have to do all these exercise. Let's see how to identify which number come just after. Here in this example 2. After 2 which numeral is come, children? Yes, number 3 is comes. Now 18. After 18 which numeral is come? 18, 19. 33. After 33 which numeral comes? 33, 34. 15. After 15 next 16 comes. 45. After 45 46, 49. 49. After 49 50. 50 number comes. Now 22. After 22 23. 36. After 36 37. 9. After 9 10 comes. 16. After 16 which numeral is come, children? Yes, 17. 29. After 29 30 comes. 13. After 13 14. 14 numeral comes after 13. Now 34. After 34 35. 20. After 20 21. 44. After 44 45. Here I will done all these example which is on page number 102. On page number 103 you have to do yourself. You have to do yourself like this. Also you have to do this page also. After this, now we are learning in between. In between. What comes in between? One has been done for you. Here one is done. 1, 2, 3. Now next one. 6. Here blank box is there. And 8. After 6 which numeral comes? 7. Before 8 which numeral comes? 7. So in between 6 and 8 is 7. 7 blank box 9. After 7 which numeral comes, children? After 7 8 numeral is came. 9. Before 9 which numeral comes? Before 9 8 numeral is come. So in between 7 and 9 is numeral 8. Now 10, 12. In between 10 and 12 which numeral comes, children? Tell me. Yes, 11. In between 15 and 17 which numeral comes, children? After 15 16 numeral is came. Before 17 also 16 numeral comes. So in between 15 and 17 16 numeral is there. 19, 21. Which numeral is missing in between 19 and 21? 20, 19, 20, 21, 47, 49. In between 47 and 49, which numeral comes, children? Yes, 48. 23 and 25. In between 23 and 25, which numeral comes, children? 24. After 40, which numeral comes, children? 41. Before 42, which numeral comes? 41. So, in between 40 and 42, 41 comes. In between 21 and 23, in between 21 and 23, 22 number has been come. 27 and 29, which numeral comes in between 27 and 29, children? 28. Now, in between 43 and 45, which numeral comes? 44. 33 and 35. 33 and 35. In between these two numerals, which numeral comes? 34. 38 and 40. 38, 40. In between 38 and 40, 39 comes. 16 and 18. 16 and 18. In between 16 and 18, 17 has been come. After 12, which numeral comes? 13. Before 14, which numeral comes? 13. So, in between 12 and 14, numeral 13 is there. Here, I will do all the exercise which are on page number 104. Here also same examples are here. You have to do yourself on page number 105. In between, what comes in between? One has been done for you. Here also one is done for you. You have to do all these exercise, all these examples and send on my WhatsApp number. Your today's homework is on page number 102, 103 just after, and on page number 104 and 105 in between. These two homeworks are you have to do in your home and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.